Hand. Close your fingers to make a tight fist and then straighten them. Wrist. Bend your wrist down towards the floor and then up towards the ceiling. Forearm. Start with your palm facing the floor. Turn your arm so that your palm faces up towards the ceiling and then back towards the floor. Remember to keep your elbow close to your body. Elbow. Bend your elbow so that your hand touches your shoulder and then straighten it back to your side. Remember to move only your elbow and not your shoulder. Keep your elbow close to your body. Remember, keep your elbow at your side at all times. Complete this exercise with 10 to 15 repetitions 3 to 4 times a day.